So since the price of Bitcoin has managed to close the monthly candle above the top CPI line, which was around 66,000 now, is it going to result in another continuation here like this? Because I've been very clear with you guys, closing the monthly candle above the top CPI line means the upcoming days for Bitcoin is going to be bullish. And if you look at it right now, for this month of June, now we have a new price target, new price objective, which we are going to talk in this video. But before I do that, I just want you guys to do me a favor and quickly destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed this free 200 USD position airdrop from Bybit, then I suggest you guys to check the video description, because this event is going to end in 17 days. So if you want to trade with free money, if you want to take advantage of these bonuses, then please check the video description. Now, if you look at this price action of Bitcoin in a 4-hour time frame using our leading indicator, you can see, guys, the price has closed the daily candle, the price has closed the monthly candle above the top CPI line, which only happens during uptrend. Yes, guys, during uptrend, the price usually tests the resistance around monthly hour line and finds support above top CPI line, which it did in our case, which is signaling us the upcoming days for Bitcoin should be bullish because this is another ascending CPI type of formation. I mean, ascending CPI only gets formed during uptrend, and closing the monthly also above this top CPI line means this trend line for this month of June, which is in between 66,400 to 64,200, is going to be looked as one of the most important line of support for Bitcoin. And as long as the price remains above this trend line, there is nothing to worry about, because this might be just a retest before breaking it to the upside with the first price objective around 74,000. Yes, guys, for this month of June, the first monthly R1 line sits around 74,000. Second target R2 line sits around 80,000, and the best case scenario for this month of June sits around 89,500. For all this bullish continuation to play out, we just need the price of Bitcoin to remain above this June CPI line, which is in between 64,000 to 66,000 range. Because failing to do that, I mean, price failing to find support above this trend line, means we should be expecting another continuation towards this monthly S1 line before choosing an actual trend duration. But if you look at the overall picture, right, if you look at how the monthly candle has closed above the top CPI line, this is going to be looked as a bullish continuation, not a bearish continuation pattern for Bitcoin, because we are aware we have support from this CryptoAnup buy sell indicator, support from this Williams alligator indicator in case of weakness. Because beside this support, now we also have support from this leading indicator, I mean this top central and the bottom CPI line. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here is that even if the price in the medium short term shows another continuation here to the downside, I don't want you guys to panic. This might be just a temporary retracement before finding bottom, before starting with an actual impulsive move, because price remaining above this CryptoAnup buy sell indicator, price remaining above Williams alligator indicator in the past price action has resulted, you can see, has resulted in a very bullish move. So the same thing could be happening here. I mean, price is above this Williams alligator indicator, CryptoAnup buy sell indicator. This might be just a temporary retracement before starting with an actual impulsive move, because right now, along with the support from this Williams alligator indicator, CryptoAnup buy sell indicator, even the support from the CPI line, we also have support from this rising trend line, because in the past price action, finding support at this rising trend line resulted, right, in a very bullish move. Each and every time price tested the support from this rising trend line, it resulted in a very bullish move. So same thing might be happening here. I mean, price remaining above this rising trend line, remaining above this Williams alligator indicator, CryptoAnup buy sell indicator, even this CPI line could be resulting in another continuation like this. It might show shakeout, but I just want you guys to be aware this might be just a temporary pullback before continue with this actual impulsive move. I mean, higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern type of formation, where the price of Bitcoin could be heading towards to make a new all-time high. Yes guys, reaching the monthly R1 line will result in another bullish continuation and also could result in a new all-time high, because beside the support from this trend line, we also have support from this Bollinger Band. I mean, the support from this Bollinger Band is also very important, because we know since we have broken out of this upper trend line, now this might be just a temporary pullback before starting with another continuation here like this, because I've been very clear with you guys, upper band usually gets broken when the price is preparing itself for a new bullish move. So same thing could be happening in our case as well. So that's why, since our upper band has already been broken, now this might be just a temporary pullback before starting with an actual impulsive move, because we are aware guys, in the medium short term, yes, we might see few ups and downs, because I showed you that during uptrend, during this high highs high lows continuation pattern, price got attracted. During this uptrend, you can see price got attracted in between this 0.5.618 Fibonacci line before starting with an actual impulsive move. And in our case, same thing might be happening. Price could be getting attracted in between this 0.5.618 Fibonacci line around 65, 66,000, even up to 64,000. Quick move around that area before starting with an actual impulsive move. So that's why any sort of a pullback, any sort of a weakness might be very short-lived. And even according to the symmetrical triangle, since this here is being formed during an uptrend, it will be looked as a bullish symmetrical triangle. So if the price fails to show another continuation like this, what might be happening here? Price might be faking out, I mean liquidating the over average longs, and after that starting with an actual bullish move. I mean, this symmetrical triangle will be looked as a bullish continuation pattern, but please expect some fake outs. Please expect some shakeout liquidating the over leveraged longs, and only after that starting with an actual impulsive move. Because if you look at this falling wedge pattern, I've been very clear about this move. I mean, in the medium short term, we might be seeing more sideways movement before breaking here today upside, because even in this example, you can see when we broke out of this falling wedge, we started with a bullish move, but this bullish move ended when the price tested the resistance or the first price objective from this falling wedge, which resulted in a correct move. But after few sideways movement, after some rejection, we finally broke out of this trend line, which could be happening in our case as well. So that's why sideways movement, few shakeout is very normal during this kind of move, because price in our case might be gathering some momentum before breaking out once and for all. Because we are aware guys, we are aware, breaking out from that trend line means the price for the coming days could be following another bullish continuation like this. I mean, this here is a broadening wedge pattern. Upper trend line is acting as a line of resistance, lower trend line is acting as a line of support. So if the price of Bitcoin shows another continuation like this, getting attracted around this golden pocket or even up to this 0.61 Fibonacci line, please do not panic. I've been very clear with you guys, that might be just a temporary pullback before heading it to the upside, because this descending broadening wedge is a bullish continuation pattern. And I've been also very clear with you guys, in a bigger picture, simply by remaining over 60,000 could be preparing ourselves for another bullish continuation like this. I mean, rounding bottom pattern or arc breakout, because this trend line, this horizontal trend line, which in the past price action rejected us, already been flipped into support. So this might be a continuation. I mean, price after few sideways movement, after few shakeout, it should be ready for another continuation here like this. I mean, after some range bound, price slowly getting attracted towards the price objective from this rounding bottom, which sits in between 90,000 100,000. So that's why this formation actually lines up perfectly if the price manages to overcome the resistance which you have around 72,000 into proper support. But for now, it is enough that we remain over 60,000 according to this bigger chart. So in case of doubt, I suggest you guys to simply zoom out. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please guys, do not hesitate to destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this are the first time to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder to those individuals who have not claimed this free 200 USD position airdrop from Bybit, then I suggest you guys to check the video description, because this event is going to end in 17 days. So if you want to claim this bonuses, free money, then please use this link which is provided in the description down below. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.